So what's this? It's like a brand new one?
Brand new.
Ooh,
Yeah.
look how cute.
Yeah.
I'm so happy because
Yeah.
every like couple months I always have an issue.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so shiny and pretty. I'm so happy. Okay.
They told you, right?
Yeah. He told me. I thought I understood that I was getting a brand new AC.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Well, I'm gonna let you do your job. Oh my gosh. Look how this even looks. But I'm getting a new one, so I don't care. Is anybody living up under there? Ew, it looks all nasty. They should have been replaced this. I never knew how it looked up under this thingy here. They was just rigging stuff up. They always rig something up, paint over mold and paint over rust, you know, so it looks brand new. You can tell when things are painted over when you move into a place. My cabinets and everything, even the dishwasher. Oh, I got a new dishwasher now, but even the dishwasher was painted over. But I got a new one. You don't pull no slick one on me like that. Got my new AC. Cool. Y'all saw that cute, Lonnie? Gonna have our new AC now. I bet you don't know what that tool is called right there.
Huh?
What is it called? You don't know?
What? Open the flame, the acetylene first, like this. Look, first, like, open.
And
Try you. Come.
look, he said try,
Try.
come on.
Okay. Wait. Okay, now. Now, dale. Hard.
You gotta do it hard. Where you make sparks. Okay, cute. You wanna try?
Yeah, right there. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Look, you weaker than her.
Yeah,
You can't
hard.
make a spark. You gotta do it hard.
Oh man, what's going on?
What's going
Made
on?
this press here like this.
See?
You
You gotta
see?
press hard.
Yeah, hard. This way.
Okay.
Yeah, no, more safety. You know, all this is safety
Yep.
right there.
I think
You got it. Finally.
You got it.
After 100 tries.
Yeah,
Oh.
you have to press. You know, look, you press here this way and here this way.
I'll be done blew my whole face off. I ain't gonna try it. Okay. Alani, give me the broom.
Very quickly, honestly.
Okay, yes, no worries. I'll clean this up for you. No problem. Alani, give me the broom, please. We're gonna clean up all his mess. And he put this rug over here when he brought the dolly in and the machine. You gonna help me do it? Okay, well, we gotta pick up this stuff first. Well, you can sweep that out the way for now. Wait, is that a Nutter Butter? No. But you wanna taste it to see if it's a Nutter Butter? Nutty Buddy? No. You're giving me a new one of these too.
You
Okay.
see this part?
Yes.
You have to cut it. This here and here. He
Okay.
tried to take it out this one.
Okay, and that's
Okay.
the part that he can scratch.
This is good. This
and
is
sell.
good. This part is copper, but all part together, copper and metal is dirty. I have to correct this. This is good one.
Okay, so this side, the side is good.
Yes,
That's the clean.
this is clean.
Okay.
But together, metal is dirty.
Okay, so how much can he get for this?
He cut it. He get like Yeah. This is the way I can cut. This is clear copper.
Okay.
He have to take care of this issue.
And how much?
If he keep 10 of this, give you $300.
$300.
Easy.
Okay. What was the piece you were talking about for $800?
This part.
So $800 he'll get for this clean copper. on
This
the side.
copper cleaning of this. If you keep it 10, $300.
Okay.
Easy.
Okay. I'll clean that.
I have 2 units more here.
Okay.
I
I'm
call
going
him.
to. You got a
Thank you.
Sprite and
It's
some
okay.
waters. Okay. And I will call him to come pick this up. He'll be happy and grateful. And
Just let
again,
him
don't
know,
worry about the rest.
keep in the house when he has 10.
Yes, and then take it. Okay. I will let him know.
This is black gold.
Black gold. Oh yes, I've heard about it. I don't know about scrapping, but I know they do. And like I said, he's a licensed contractor. So
Also, this metal, he can save it too. They give you money for this too.
okay.
Yeah.
I will tell him. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
So you coming back today?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Just ring the doorbell. Okay. Okay, we had to clean this up too. Now I've mopped twice already. I should have just waited, but I don't like to see dirt on the floor. So let me see. Yes, he did. I guess I was trying to see, was that hot that he was torching? So I'll just sweep this out with a little tiny broom, all the dust and dirt and stuff from the old one and the pieces that he drug in here. But he did pretty good. Gonna have to hire this guy again. He is awesome. And he's giving me all the scraps and stuff for my cousin to go scrap. Pretty nice guy. This isn't my first time seeing him, but it's my first time getting a new AC. The last time he was trying to fix the raggedy one my landlord put in here. Stop being cheap and give me what I deserve. Yes, indeed. That's the end. Hopefully y'all learned something about scrapping in this video too.